Hello and welcome back to Rocky Ridge Auto. Today I will be showing you this 2019 Ford Fusion S with blind spot detection and pre-collision braking. Let's go ahead and check out the inside and I'm going to show you some of those features. Up on the dash you'll see that this Fusion has 46,000 miles. Not too bad for a 2019. Over to the right is your center screen and stereo controls. With your stereo, you have your regular FM and AM radio, as well as Bluetooth audio. You also have easy controls with volume and tune control. You also can have up to 10 presets for your regular FM and AM radio. And when you shift the turn knob as your gear shift into reverse, you have a backup camera with parking assist. Under your center screen, you have your climate controls, which are very easy to use and very simple. Underneath that area, you have some storage as well as some charging ports. You have a little bit more storage for your key fob and whatnot. With your key fob, you actually have engine start-stop, which you can keep your key in your purse or pocket and still start your engine that way. In the center console, you have your gear shift, which is a turn knob, easy to use, as well as cup holders, your parking brake, as well as hill assist, and a center console with more storage. Up on the steering wheel, on the right hand side, you have your volume for your stereo, as well as hands-free calling and voice commands, and menu buttons to help you control and operate the stereo. On the left-hand side, you have your adjustments for your instrumental panel, as well as your cruise control settings. Behind the wheel, of course, is your turn signals and your high beams. Next to that, you have your brightness settings for your instrumental panel as well as your light settings. And then right next to that, you have your trunk release as well as your trunk release on your key fob. On the door panel, you of course have your window controls, door locks, and mirror controls. In this Fusion, you have a light interior that is cloth that is super comfortable to sit in. Now let's go ahead and check out the back seats. Back here you have lots of legroom, as well as you have a charging port in the back of the center console, as well as pocket in the back of the seat for some storage. Now let's go ahead and check out the trunk area. You actually have a release button right under the emblem, which is easy for access. For a smaller car, you do have lots of cargo space back here, as well as under the divider, you have a spare tire for any emergencies. But with that is all I have for this 2019 Ford Fusion S with blind spot and pre-collision braking. If If you have any questions, feel free to text or call 717-733-8985 or stop in for a visit. Thanks so much for watching, and you have a great day.